before this video starts, I just want to apologize on how ass this editing is on this video. So I was watching it and I hate how it just jumps into different clips. I never was like, alright, so now that I'm done with the brake pads, I'm gonna go to the oil change or spark plugs. You know, it just popped up right away. So I'm sorry for that. The reason it's like that is because that was one of the first videos I was going to drop, and I just didn't do the work at the same time or same day. The oldest clip in this video is from June 1st. What is that, like 6-7 months ago? It's just different clips from different times. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'm gonna stop talking now. Leave a like, comment, and subscribe, and yeah, I hope you guys enjoy it. Bye. What up, guys? Welcome to a new video. It's probably loud as shit. The cave-in is so loud. Today's video, we are going to be maintaining the cave-in. So I'm gonna do spark plugs, I'm gonna do the oil change, I'm gonna do the brake pads. So just the basic maintenance. So I'm also gonna do some Ricey stuff. Hope you guys enjoy the video. Leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Peace. So to check the oil on this cave-in, this is a dipstick in a very weird position, or location I want to say. That's the front tire, this is the rear. So you gotta pull it out, and as you can see, we're almost out of oil. It should be at this top one right here. So I'm gonna change the oil real quick, and where I'm gonna put the oil in is over here. So you open this, and right there, loosen this up, take this out, and that's where the engine oil is. I'm gonna go ahead and drain the oil. I am gonna use 10W30 full synthetic Mobile 1. So let's get started. And now for the oil filter. So instead of buying a new one, this is still like brand new, so I'm just gonna drain it real good, make sure there's no oil, and put it back on. I'm gonna check the oil dipstick, and if there's enough at least to like the first dot, turn it on, and then add some more. All right, that's enough. I'm gonna check the dipstick and add more, or if that's enough, then that's enough. All right, so I'm done putting oil in it. It took like 3-point-something quarts. Look at how low these brake pads were. Right here, my dad's taking them out and putting in the new ones.
After we were done putting in the new spark plugs, we started to look around what could be a possible issue of making the pan shake, since it did start to shake at a stoplight. So when we were looking around, we saw that something was broken connected to the tailpipe, some type of hose or tube. So this is the thing I'm talking about, and it was just so brittle that just by moving it around, it was breaking into pieces.
started it. I'm gonna check if it's leaking air or anything. I don't feel anything. We're good. So far the van hasn't shooken, not once. I drove it all the way to Vancouver because we want to go pick parts off the pick and pull. And to be honest, it's not so bad on the freeway. It does take a bit to go up to speed, but it drives so smooth. I'm gonna change the windshield wipers just because they're so damn loud. I don't know what size these are, but I did get 16 inches for both. So I'm gonna take them off real quick. Yeah, way better. Damn, it's hella slow though now. I don't know why. Weird. First thing we're gonna install is a quick release steering wheel. I bought the quick release and I had to order a special hub for it since it's from Japan. But this is a quick release. And this is the hub for it. This just goes on top like this. And this is all it comes with. The little screws and the nut. So first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna take this cover off like this. Just pops right out. We're gonna disconnect that right here like that. I'll try to record everything, but I'm gonna take this nut off and then we could install the hub. Alright, so I got it loose. I put the bolt on so this doesn't hit my face. So that is the steering wheel off. And now for the hub. So let's see. Holy shit. Alright, so it's on. I realized that this is gonna be the thing to make it beep. Look. You see that? Alright, so now I'm just gonna put the bolt back in. So after I get that done, I'll be able to just connect the quick release onto it and we'll be good to go. Alright, so I tightened it. It's good, it's not going anywhere. Now I could put this little piece on. Let's install the quick release real quick. I'm only gonna install this part just because I'm gonna install this on the steering wheel that I'm actually gonna keep on the van. So I think I'm gonna return the quick release because it's so damn long. Like, look how close it is. Oh, hell no. Hell no. So guys, since the quick release made the steering wheel so close to my face, I'm gonna go return it. I'm just gonna keep the steering wheel. So for now I have this on. And the reason I left it on was because I did put the hub in and I'm not trying to take it off. So the next thing that I got for it though is a new shift boot. I also got a new shift knob. I'll show that in later when I put this on. I don't know how to put it on. I did try when I first got it because it's just so simple. Like, you take the shift knob off and look, all you do is just pull it out this way. It's supposed to get held on by like right here or something, but there's just no way for this to get held on by that. If I do it like this, it's gonna look weird because this is showing and you can't really see the design. But I thought this piece came off and I was able to like cut some holes and put it on the clips and stuff. But so I'm just gonna put the shift boot like this just for now. Later on I'll probably figure a way to keep it like on there, because when I shift it goes up, it goes up. So I gotta like super glue it or something, but this is a shift knob. So that's gonna look. I gotta find the perfect one and screw it on. So as of right now, this is what it's gonna look like. Pretty Ricey, you know, little Ricey mods. So guys, I just got home and my steering wheel is here for the K-Van. I put the K-Van to work today, like real good. I went on the freeway for like, I don't even know, I was gone all day since like 10 a.m. to, what time is it? 5:15 p.m. That's crazy, but I'm about to open this up and show you guys the steering wheel. Open this up. Woohoo! Damn, this does look good. Black leather. Look at this, guys. This shit looks real nice. Hell yeah. It's way too hot right now, so I'll probably put it on later. The K-Van does need a real good cleaning. I'll put in some of the little clips I took when I was over there using the K-Van. I was just helping my aunt clean her backyard, and it was just real messy back there. A whole bunch of dirt, so there's like ants, spiders, different type of insects in there. Alright, I'm here about to install this wheel. I'm gonna try to make the horn work. So I'm gonna put this here and connect this red wire to the yellow wire and this black wire to this thing, which is the ground. And I already tested it out, it worked. So I'm about to install this real quick. Alright, hooked everything up, and now I'm just gonna tighten these little bolts, every single one of them, but horn works. It's hella hot, dude. It's like 1,000,000 degrees right now. I'm melting. Alright, so now I'm gonna take this shift knob and shift boot off, and as you can see, I cut it because it's just stuck in there. So it's still stuck in there. I need to cut it some more, and what I'm using is an X-Acto knife, a really sharp blade, but it's just not coming out. So yeah, I'm gonna go back to the OEM shift boot, OEM shift knob. To be honest, I don't really like it. It's a bit way too much for me. It is Ricey. So here it is, the final look. It looks way better with the stock shift knob and the stock shift boot. It matches the wheel too. So guys, that's the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. This video would have been posted on my channel maybe like 1, 2, 3 months ago. I just took so long because I couldn't find the brake pads, and when I got the brake pads, I just didn't have time to replace the pads. So yeah, I'm sorry about that. Sorry for slacking on